We are enjoying our stay here at Disney's Riviera Resort. We're gonna go meet the family in the lobby and head to our dinner at Topolino's.
Yeah, I'm excited, I'm hungry.
We love this place. Nice, Grayson.
Doing that for the camera.
Are you all cleaned up nice for dinner?
That's it.
Topolino's, 10th floor. Okay, are we all getting in on the elevator?
Oh yeah. We did it the other night and we had the stroller. Yeah.
Hit 10 for us.
10, we're going up.
You look pretty.
Boy, doesn't she look great? Yeah, we all.
Such a beautiful restaurant up here. Perfect. We're split up right by each other. Thank you.
Okay, so
everyone's looking over the menus. What looks good, Dad?
Their story. Getting the menu going.
Sounds good.
looks good.
Here's a quick look at the menu. This ricotta appetizer we've had before, and it's delicious. We're gonna get that again. We're eyeing this gnocchi. There's some starters here. And then pastas. I've had this rigatoni before, which is amazing. They've got seafood and meats here. Pretty good menu. Can't forget about dessert. I got the French rose. That's my go-to here.
I got the old fashioned, which tends to be my go-to.
Tiff?
I got a French wine.
Jono?
It's an orange Manhattan. I don't know how to pronounce
Seasonal.
the middle word.
And Mom and Dad got rosé. Okay, everyone, cheers.
Guys.
Cheers. Oh, thank you. Got the French rose over here.
Yes, it tastes
Aaron, what'd you get?
I got the Cigar City IPA.
All right, let's see a cheers from ya. Grayson, cheers your milk. Cheers, girls. Hey, cheers your milk. Cheers, Luke.
Cheers.
Appetizers came and I forgot to get any of it on the vlog because it's that good.
The duck confit gnocchi, which was awesome, melts in your mouth. The ricotta, which
with
is,
like a tomato jelly thing.
It's very good. They got the same thing, and then we had a salad as well.
romaine enchilada.
Yeah, so whoops, forgot to vlog it, but just delicious.
Good.
Entrees have arrived. We have the filet mignon. Mom and Dad have the rigatoni. That's so good. And then here, Jono, hand that over.
And that's the tomahawk, the veal tomahawk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bone in.
Bone in looks good.
Thank you. Wow. I had to come out here on the balcony to try to capture the beautiful sunset this evening. So pretty out here.
I only took a quick look, but
here's the resort. See if I can come over here. You can see Caribbean Beach down over there. The Skyliner's going.
Sounds good.
I came over to say hi to the other group. The girls got some gelato. Is it yummy? What flavor is it?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Hey, look, your gelato came. Yummy. Your dessert made it, Allie.
Oh, it looks good. Hey, is that flower real?
That's a real flower. Are you gonna eat it?
I want to.
If you want to eat it, you can. It's edible. It probably isn't gonna taste super good. You gonna try it?
Eat the flower together?
Did you eat the flower? No?
Here, Sophia. Do you want to eat it without flowers?
Okay, cheers your flowers.
Yeah, cheers it.
Cheers.
Oh,
You already ate it?
God, she just shoved it in her mouth.
What did it taste like?
Nothing.
Nothing? Are you gonna do it, Allie?
Hey.
What's the verdict?
Tastes like nothing.
The grand finale, we have the warm
Corona.
Valrhona chocolate cake with the caramel center. Wow. So there's
You
some,
want to watch the caramel come out?
yeah, cut it open.
Ooh,
Oh,
look
what?
at that.
We're getting a little raspberry in there too.
Oh, that looks good. Okay, try it. And,
Very good. Nice and warm.
ooh, and some chantilly and ice cream.
We just started. Kate.
I know, we all came back out on the balcony. They're playing Moana tonight. So where are we headed after this, guys?
The pool.
The pool and
We're
move.
gonna go get changed, and then we're going to the pool.
We're going to the pool, and we're gonna go watch Moana down there.
I'm gonna go on the water slide.
Yep, the slide, pool, movie. How fun does that look, you guys? We better go get our suits on, huh? Movie under the stars. 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 We had a great dinner. We changed into our swimsuits. We're on the GoPro now. And we are headed to the main pool. We're gonna do some pool time, get in the slide, and they are also showing Moana as the movie Under the Stars tonight. So we're gonna have a show as we play at the pool. Here's the pool. And here's the movie. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro.
We're training. We're not doing that.
But you can actually grab like a towel or a blanket and set it out. And they have Moana playing here. So you can take a seat, or really you can actually see it from the pool area.